Hi, my name is Ivana and I live in Bangalore. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create these no heat curls with only a scarf. I've been using this method to create curls for about a year now. Previously, I used to do it with a belt. That method is on my Instagram, but because I've upgraded my method and a lot of you guys also don't use Instagram, I thought I'd make a video about it here as well. Without further ado, let's get into this. If you're curious about my complete no heat hair care routine, the link for that video is down in the description below. Do you guys have any amazing hair hacks that I should know about? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to make more of those, make sure to put a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed them. Also, you can consider subscribing to this channel. More than 2,000 people have already joined. It's free to subscribe and you'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!